Hey guys, it's Ivy, and it's time for Dollar General's ad preview for the week of 10/26 to 11/1, guys. We'll be into the first day of November when this ad is ending, okay? Guys, awesome ad. We got a 3-day sale coming up, and we have some nice deals in here. I see a lot of EAs, early activation, so let's get it going. We have the Dr. Pepper Sun-Kissing Canada Dry 3 for $14. This right here, the Frito-Lay multi-pack 18 count, they have a weird coupon, $2.45. Now, sometimes that coupon is Dollar General and sometimes it is a manufacturer. Let's pray that it's a manufacturer coupon. It's easier to work with, but that makes them $8. Now, at Walgreens, they be about $10 or $11, so that's a good deal. These are back 5 for $5. You could EA that early activation. Then these are 3 for $12. I would kind of hold off on any of these soda coupons because we might get coupons during any of those soda deals because we might get coupons, okay? This is $2.25 when you buy 4. To me, that's not a good deal because it's still $10 after you buy 4 of them. Then you have the $5.75 for the DiGiorno. If they give us that buy a DiGiorno, get a free Pepsi, that'll make a good deal. The large Raisin Bran by Kellogg's is 3 for $8. Hopefully they'll give us a coupon. Then these are $7.95 for the Dunkins. You can early activate that. You also can early activate the Lay's, okay? The candies are buy 2, get 1 free. Hopefully they'll give us that spend 20, get 5 off coupon. That'll be an awesome coupon. Then they have 2 for $10 on the chocolates. Down here, we have a $1 coupon for Gain. And then that spend 30, save 5, that never works. This is another good coupon, guys. $1.40 off of Angel Sauce. So that's a good coupon. And right here, they gave us $1.75 and it is 12 rolls. So I don't know. I probably would stick with the Scott on that one, okay? Now the 3-day sale. That sale is October 30th to November 1st. Now let me tell you something, guys. Early activation. Early activation starts at 7 p.m. on Saturday. This early activation will be on Wednesday at 7 p.m. So the October 29th. So these are 3 for $12. Hopefully they give us a coupon and get it lower. The veggies are 2 for $1. I don't gatekeep, guys. So let me tell you, if you don't need veggies, hold off for a minute and see if they're going to drop them down to 25 cents. Because remember, last time they had this 3-day sale, they dropped these to 25 cents. And I racked up. Now here is the pumpkin 2 for $2, 3 for $3 on the Idaho potatoes also. Now that's a good deal only because the Dollar Tree selling for $1.25 now. But that's also a good deal. Then you have the 2 for $1 on the clover soups. I like the cream soups so that I use in some of my dishes to cook foods that I cook. Toys are buy 1 get 1 50% off. Holiday lights $2. That is a good deal. Now, I did see them as low as $1.50 last year in DG. So be careful with that one. This one is $3.50. They're the bigger ones. Then 50% off on the ornaments. Now, remember, this early activation starts on October 29th. Right? More candy. Buy 2, get 1 free, 2 for $10. On the bigger bags, that's the 72. Let me see. That is about 8 to 72 ounces. Okay, so check that. The highest bag is 40 pieces of candy. Then they had a spend 9, save 3 on the Nabiscos. That Sour Patch. If they give us that buy 2, get 1, hopefully it will glitch and we'll get them for 3 for the price of 1. The Tasties is that candy. It's okay, those donuts and stuff. But I feel like you can get a better brand. These, like here, the Yahoos are 2 for $4. The Snapple 2 for $4 early activations. And you might can early activate this if they didn't give us a coupon. So just be leery of that one, okay? Then this is a good deal. The 2 for $12 on the 6-pack of Coors water. I got to get some for my granddaughter. She loves Coors water. Then they gave us another $2 on the Dasani. Now, the club crackers are 2 for $7. Time to stock up for the holidays, guys. That's also an early activation. This is an early activation also on the Coors. Down here, we have $1 off Hellman's. 2 for $9 on the Farm Rich. Those are $4.95. 2 for $10 is back again. That's actually a good deal. But remember, they gave us a $3 coupon. If they give us another coupon, that'll be excellent. These are 2 for $10 also. I feel like you could go to a big box store and get that. Now they got the Snyder's pieces, $2. Takis 2 for $4. My kids love those, and they are disgusting. Okay, 2 for $4 on the chunky Campbell soup. I will try to hold off because last year they had some awesome 3-day sales off on these. Now they did, this is spend 8, save 2. Used to be spend 6, I believe, save 2, or I might be getting it mixed up. Now the Kraft is 4 for $4, another early activation, okay? The Rice-A-Roni, $1.25, another deal that you can go to the Dollar Tree and pick up because they're $1.25 there also, unless they went to $1.50. Now, these are 2 for $6. Great for donations, guys. Great for donations. And these are 2 for $6 on the general meals. Now, right here, as you can see, we have all of any ingredients you need to start cooking for the holiday. That's for Halloween. Now, these are Bogos. Buy one, get one 50% off. I would try to kind of wait because, again, those 3D sales, 3-day sales are awesome. Now, 2 for $5 on the Solo cups. Again, we got these for $1.50 last year. These are 3 for $5. We also got those for $1, and these are 2 for $4.50. We got these for a cheaper price too. So, kind of, if you can linger around, try to linger around. $1 for any of the fall savings, the harvest is going on. Those are all $1. The Comforts, buy one, get one 50% off on like blankets and sheets. The sheets is instantly save $5 when you spend $20 to $50. That's a good deal. These are all $1. Now, Christmas is crashing into everything. So, pre-lit tree for $28. Then they have all of the Christmas on sale. If you want to just browse, guys, and have a nice time, just go browse and do that. Then they have to spend 9, save 2 on the M&Ms. That's a good deal. All of it. Go browse. We're going to get back here to this page where it's tons of coupons. This is back. Spend 15, save 3. I did an awesome 5 off 25 deal on these. Go look at that 5 off 25 Dollar General video on my YouTube. 10 for $10.25, guys. Awesome deals. $1 off on the Palmolive. These right here, you won't be able to early activate, guys, because you need a coupon, okay? You need that coupon, and I will hold off until I got it. I like this deal also on the Sparkle. Then they advertising that their tissue is $1 now. The little dollar tissues, they are $1, and that's a good advertising. You know why? Dollar Tree selling for $1.25. Now, we ran across this. This is an early activation. Also, 2 for $10.50 on the Healthy. All of the foods are cheap right here for the pets. Then you have $1 back on the Bounce and Downy. $3 on the Game. 3 on the Tide. 4 off on this Crest. 5 for $3 off on the Crest mouthwash. They gave us a $2 on the Dawn. 3 off 2 of the Mr. Clean starting at $6. I like that deal. Hopefully this is another coupon, $5. I hope so. This usually glitch, guys. So this $1, it usually work on either the Puffs or the Kleenex. I might be confused, so don't take my word for it. But check that coupon against any Puffs or Kleenex in the aisles or in the dollar aisle. Then another thing that we have a good deal on is the Pampers. The Easy Ups they gave us a $3 coupon. Then the Loves have a $3 coupon also. $7 off 3 on Colgate. That's a good deal. I love when that coupon come around because guess what, guys? 5 off 25s be awesome. $2 on Arm & Hammer right here. Then they did give us a spend 8, save 2 on the Swab. 5 off 2 on the Axe. That's still the same coupon, I believe. Now, medicines you could take a look at. Now, 3-day sale. This is also a part of the 3-day sale. That Prime. I'm going to go grab those because my boys love the Primes. And sometimes they like those. It depends. Now, buy one, get one on the True Living Storages. 50% off on books. Bogo. Oh, look at that. Shit got Bogo. Shavers, buy one, get one free. That's a good deal. And if it's not a coupon, you'll be able to early activate. All you have to do is scan it, guys. And it'll show in an instant if it's early if this is a Bogo, or it won't come up at all, meaning you need to wait for the coupon to come, okay? So those are all good deals. Look at this. Buy one, get one 50% off on socks. And then buy one, get one 50% off on like hoodies and stuff. And then, well, sweatshirts. And then $5 off on 18-gallon True Living totes. Those are good deals. This right here is a good deal, Mr. Clean. I love that mop, guys. But remember, last year I got it for $15. Then on the back, we also have more soda deals you can do. Again, I would try to hold off. $1 off on some of the games. We have a save $3.50 when you buy 2 of the Febreze. That's an awesome deal right there. I love it. These are 2 for $5 on the games. And look at the 3-day sale. You got another piece right here. There's 2 for $8. $3.95. $8 on the Glad, which I will probably grab that. That's $1.75 off. 2 for $8. Hopefully they'll give us another coupon where they say spend 10 or buy 3 and you get a certain amount off. Let's try that. These right here, the griddles last year got all the way down to $7, guys. So just be careful on buying it. I hope you all enjoyed this video, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, share this Ivy's coupon camp because we don't gatekeep. Bye.